Good afternoon, dear mates and tutor. Today is a pleasure for me to present you a video about the vowel and diphthong sounds. So I want to explain you these sounds through the examples. So I give you 2 examples for each one. So I want to start to the vowel sound. Sing, which, should, believe, book, cook, shoe, who, 10, left, bad, and, teacher, the, first, hair, all, crow, cap, track, father, come, on, look. Now we follow to the diphthong sounds. Ear, hear, air, shade, tour, pour, out, count, curve, slow, pay, take, I, pay, oil, boys. Okay, teacher, that's all about my video of vowels and diphthong sounds. So I hope you have enjoyed it.